guys, today I'll be showing you how I do my pholourie, and these are all the ingredients that I would have used, including the brand of yeast that I would have used in my pholourie. Firstly, we start off by mixing all the dry ingredients first, and then we mix. I'm gonna put in my yeast and my baking powder to the flour, and we're gonna mix that all together. After we've mixed every dry ingredients together, we will now transfer that mixture into a mixing bowl. Now after we would have incorporated all the dry ingredients, we move over to incorporating all the wet ingredients, which includes the turmeric and the green seasoning. Now I did not have the powdered turmeric, so what I had done was grated raw turmeric into some warm water. After we mixed our chickpea together with the wet ingredients, we will now pour that mixture into the flour. What I had done was do it in portions. So while mixing, I will just continue adding that batter to the flour. I'm just gonna add the warm water to the mixture to get that consistency that we will need for our pholourie. In my pholourie, I don't like it to be too stiff and too soft, so a little bit in between. Now after we would have mixed our batter, we will now put it aside for at least 30 to 45 minutes. So this is what my pholourie mixture looks like after 30 minutes. Now it's time to get our pholourie frying. Now unfortunately, I was not able to get a video of the pholourie frying, but this is the end result. Beautiful golden pholourie. Tell me in the comments if you tried this recipe, if everything turned out well. Give this video a like. Also, before you go, subscribe and enjoy. Thank you for watching.